today we're playing in the run because it's way too muddy. They are already soaking wet. Oh, that's my soda. I don't think so. Goodbye, Tess. Can you drive? Souffle. What's up, Tina? Teeny. What you got, Brownie? Tina Louise. What you got, Brownie? What you got? You're in prison today. Hi, Sophie. Tina, you're their grandmother. Stop it. Teen? Souffle, do they have your favorite bone? Teen? Up, up. Iris. Oh, Blingy, you better leave her tail alone. She has no patience. Don't get her tail. Come on, Tina, come in here. Come on, Tina. Tina, come. Come over. Oh, no, Iris has a bone. Girl tea. Good job, Blingy. Put something in your mouth. You can't pull her tail. Oh, finally some rest for Miss Sophie. Finally some rest for Miss Sophie. Sophie. Peanut butter. How's it, Tina? That's Tina. That's Tina. Oh, you're a little wet, so we know the puppy's got you. Here, oh, go in.